Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best noise-canceling headphones under 100. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the noise-canceling headphones in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best noise-canceling headphones on the market right now. Coming at number 4, we've got the Edifier WH700NB wireless headphones are the most affordable on this list. Starting at a penny below $50, the cans deliver all the basics for this product category: reliable noise cancellation, customizable sound, and long battery life, in an over-ear package with no-nonsense design and a comfy fit. The lightweight build and supremely padded ear cushions of the WH700NB headphones captured my attention the moment I put them on. Such levels of comfort are rare for sets at any price point, so being able to rock out all day with an under $50 without feeling any fatigue exceeded my toned-down expectations by a mile. In addition, encountering metal reinforcements in the headset's headband and rotating ear cups alleviated my durability concerns, brought about by its low price. Sound-wise, the Edifier WH700NB headphones performed well for a cheap pair. Their 40mm audio drivers delivered my go-to tracks for testing audio gear with a slightly elevated bass, just as I expected. The mid-range and treble lacked the vibrance of pricier headsets, but that's common in impulse buy territory. Edifier's companion app has several presets for various music styles, but it lacks a graphic equalizer for creating your own. A dedicated gaming mode that reduces latency for perfect sync between the headphones and the on-screen action on the connected is another reason to consider Edifier WH700NB. I liked that I could activate the feature in the app, or by double-pressing a button on the headset's right ear cup. It's important to note that the headphones are not capable of wired audio playback. You, or the giftee, can only count on a Bluetooth connection, and that's okay. I had no trouble simultaneously linking the WH700NB to a laptop and a phone during my testing. You can order the Edifier WH700NB in black, ivory, gray, and navy colors. In a manner befitting their price, the headphones retail package only includes a USB-C charging cable. Number 3, JBL Tune 67 FO-NC wireless headphones. On-ear headphones with onboard noise cancellation are rare in any price category, making this JBL set particularly noteworthy. For less than $100 before additional discounts, the Tune 670NC wireless headphones bring a mixture of pleasantly understated design, comfy fit with convenient button controls, enjoyable sound, reliable noise cancellation, and fantastic battery life to go with big-name brand credentials. The low-key looks and intuitive button controls made the JBL Tune 670NC my favorite set for use on the move, e.g., while commuting, taking walks, etc., among the products on this list. I've always considered over-ear headphones as a bit too bulky for use on the go, and the JBL cans reminded me of the good old days when I rocked similarly sized wired headphones alongside my MP3 player. Out of the box, the Tune 670NC headphones treated me to a bass-forward sound that's typical for JBL headphones in this price category. JBL's companion app has a robust selection of tools for customizing the sonic experience, so toning down the bass and other similar changes was easy during my testing. The headphones' noise cancellation is stellar, if not equal to that of over-ear offerings with similar price tags. The compact on-ear fit of the Tune 670 NC doesn't provide the same passive noise isolation as an over-ear set. Translation: you or the giftee might occasionally hear external sounds even with noise cancellation switched on. With up to 44 hours of battery life with noise cancellation, 70 hours without, between charges, the JBL Tune 670 NC exceeded my expectations set by its form factor and price category. I could spend several days with the headphones without thinking about recharging. The headset's battery performance is yet another reason why on-the-go personalities should consider it. You can order the JBL Tune 670 NC in black, white, blue, and purple colors. The retail package lacks a storage case, but that's not a deal breaker. Coming at number 2, Earfun Wave Pro Wireless Headphones. The Earfun Wave Pro wireless noise-canceling headphones have been a product category standout since their debut at CES 2024. For $80 and frequently available for even less via a direct discount or an easy-to-apply coupon on Amazon, the over-ear cans deliver audio performance and battery life that should put many pricier competitors on notice. If you are looking to keep your upgrade or gift budget well below $100, the Wave Pro should be on your shortlist. The headphones' noise cancellation is solid, considering their price category. Over weeks of testing, the Wave Pro successfully reduced the traffic noise underneath my living room, allowing me to focus on work. The noise-canceling intensity is adjustable via the Earfun mobile app, but I wish the core feature also worked during wired playback. Plugging in the bundled audio cable transforms the Wave Pro into a basic set of wired headphones, unlike most rivals in this price range. Sonically, the Wave Pro headphones deserve your attention for producing a harmonious sound with strong bass, vibrant treble, and clear vocals. In addition to relying on a graphic equalizer, I customized the sound by selecting from a vast selection of presets in the Earfun app, presented via an interactive carousel layout. In tandem with an Android phone, the headset can even stream high-res audio for an audiophile-grade listening experience. The 55-hour battery life with noise cancellation of the Wave Pro belies its price, and so does the product's USB-C charging speed. I could get an entire day's worth of use after only 10-15 minutes of charging. You can snag the Earfun Wave Pro in black or oat white colors. Impressively, the retail package includes a decidedly premium hardshell storage case with a zipper closure. Number 1. Soundcore Space One Wireless Headphones. Anker's Soundcore Space One wireless headphones are my favorite overall at this price, and their excellent noise cancellation is one of the many reasons why. In addition to tuning out ambient noise distractions surprisingly well, the product also impressed me with top-tier sound with lossless audio support during wired and wireless playback, flawless ergonomics, and long battery life. The sound of the Space One allows the headphones to compete with pricier sets by producing a discernible balance between strong bass, lively mid-range, and crisp treble. The headphones vastly exceeded my expectations for any noise-canceling headphones under $100. The same goes for the elaborate set of sound customization tools their companion app has. The Soundcore app is also packed with tools for customizing the noise cancellation. Remarkably, the former has an adaptive mode that adjusts its intensity based on your surroundings, as well as manual controls with 5 levels of intensity. Maxing it out helped me stay focused during many hours-long writing sessions. The headphones' transparency mode worked as expected, and a recent update brought more options to activate the feature instead of just pressing a button. I liked being able to tune into my surroundings by touching and holding the left ear cup or speaking. Dubbed Easy Chat, the last-mentioned beta feature reminded me of Sony headphones that cost several times more. Anker sells the Soundcore Space One in black, white, and blue. Each set comes with matching, supremely cushioned ear pads and a storage bag. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best noise-canceling headphones under $100. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.